there was a day when I saw a dress that I really loved and he was like, you should buy that and you should wear it tonight. And he said it so seriously, I thought, tonight's the night, it's happening. Oh my God, so I did, and I wore it and we went for dinner and it didn't happen. And we had a bottle of wine and then we had another bottle of wine. And then we went back to the Airbnb and he was like, right, night. I was like, wow, wow.
And you know the Duomo, the big cathedral, you can go up on top of the tower there. Grace has fear of heights, but I just thought like, it's like a spiral, you know, brick staircase thing. She's not going to be able to see anything, so it'd be fine going up there.
And I hate heights, so I was fuming and really panicky. By the time we got to the top, I'm angry. I'm so angry. He's sweating and he's getting his tissues out.
She hated it. Well, didn't hate it, but she was like freaking out a bit. And I was like, I was annoyed because I dressed up, but then I got really hot and sweaty and I sweat there, so she's all. And then she's like borderline having a panic attack. And I'm like, oh, what am I doing?
And then he said, will you marry me? And I kept saying, is this really happening? And he thought I meant, how dare you ask me when I'm so angry? But I meant, oh my God, he's actually proposing, like, oh my God. And I kept saying it apparently. And then he was like, will you be my wife? I was like, yes. And then I laughed. You know when you do that, like, I did all that.
Always the one hugging her.
So you?
Yeah. Oh God, yeah. I've got some things for you. I don't know if you want to put them on now or basically hold it. So what we're going to do is.
Oh my God! Wow! Dude, you look great. Oh my God, great.
Yeah?
Yeah.
We're good?
Did you bring that?
Thing is, to get it to sit there, I think the clip will have to literally be there. So I wonder if I maybe need to cheat it forward a little bit.
My glass.
Right now?
Okay.
Aww. What have you done? You're the glitter to my glue. So yeah, so that goes to the top and the magnet goes on the other end.
And a pretty girl stand beside yours. Do you know what to do? She looks at you. Can you leap from the ledge and bridge the two halves of the world?
And please be seated. And it's going all the way on. Good pressure, doesn't it? The pressure. Lovely. Beautiful. And if you'd like to hold it in place, look at your beautiful bride and say these words.
To respect
and cherish you. And to be faithful always. These promises. I make to you. For the rest of our lives.
And friendship.
To support.
And comfort you.
Through good times.
And
troubled times.
To respect.
And cherish you.
And cherish you.
And to be faithful always.
These promises I make to you. I make to you for the rest of our
lives. You made it! Yes! Barry, did you throw a whole bag in here?
Steffi look fab too, I love it.
Your own words, marrying you is a win-win-win-win situation. I definitely haven't shot myself in the leg, and there was no spanner in the air. I love you, and here's my husband, Steph.
For the past 2 years, I found it so weird calling you my fiance. Like, I've always called you my girlfriend. And then I went from, that's weird. So I went, my partner. But to be honest, calling my wife is probably the most normal thing I could ever say.